All right, so I'm about to head out on my trip. You can see we got the truck all loaded up. We got some snacks. These are going to be pillows. Got my portable modem router. Oops, let me make sure that's in right. Got a tripod if I need to record. Got a pump, hand pump just in case. All right, I have an electric pump as well. Got a bunch of like snacks and other random stuff, tools, soap, pencils, pens. All right, got some batteries and an electric lighter just in case. Got some coffee candies, bunch of other random snacks and candies, sewing kit randomly if it's needed for some reason. Also got a bunch of walkie-talkies in there. That's what the AAA batteries are for. Every door has an umbrella and some waters. All right, we also got back here, okay, we got some liquid IVs and again, more umbrellas. There's a roll of toilet paper in there. Got some snacks and stuff in there. Got a whole bunch of drinks. All right. Then on this side, we got a jacket. I never wear a jacket, but I have one just in case. I got my laptop, some other tools, some water, toe strap. We got the mirrors just in case one of the cops are anal enough that makes me put it on, right? I got a mesh in case we want to sleep in there. I can use magnets. I have magnets that I can stick them on around the outside. Got all the different charging adapters, some baby wipes. We got stuff to bring to my brother later. Got a bunch of blankets. We got a chair there. Why did it stop? Oh, okay. We got blankets, pillows, got an air mattress there. Underneath, I got a bunch of different tools. Okay, and then again, we got more wipes. Got some Rain-X in case I need to apply that later. Another umbrella. Lots of energy drinks. The thing is filled with energy drinks. We got a portable toilet slash trash can slash whatever you want to use it for. 5-gallon jug of water. More snacks. Whole bunch of snacks in here. Okay. Got some masks just in case someplace still requires them. I doubt it, but yeah, there's a barf bag in there as well. Okay, again, more water, some random straws. Also tissue paper if I didn't mention that. Okay, and then in the front, at least I got all my clothes. I'm gonna have to pick up my dad and then get all his stuff, but we got a chair, shoes, a bunch of clothes, and a first aid kit. All right, and I think that's about it. We're gonna start the trip, and then we'll see. I'm gonna first drive to pick up my dad, and then we'll stop at the first state capital, Sacramento. All right, see you guys then.